Hello and welcome to KNAX shop. I will show you how to change the hooks if you were for some reason the hooks break. They are tested onto 25 kilos. So there are two types of hooks. There's the old one that was original in the KNAX hooks, and then you have the new ones. And the new ones you can see there as a hole. There's a new spring and the old spring. The way you do this is that you take it down the wall, screw it down the wall, then you turn your KNAX hook around, and then what you do is that you simply take a screwdriver, and then you take the back part off. Then you remove it. So you have to be a bit careful because there's these small plastic things that you should not lose. It's in between the hook and the wood part. So, and then you can simply take this part. Here I still have the spring. So I will remove the spring. Normally, if the hook is broken, it's not a problem. So then you can put on the new one. The plastic part is there. Put on the new one. Take your part of wood. Be careful not to change the pieces of wood around. Put in exactly the same places. Then you put the screws back in. Okay. And then we put the spring back in like this. And you have a hook again that works. For the old one, it's like this. So here we have the plastic parts on each side. On the old ones you can just slide it around, plastic part, the hook, plastic part. And then you take the spring, you put it in like this, turn it around. Okay, and it's also working again. That's how you change the hooks if for some reason they should break one day.